Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can generate and create gender swap AI images using an AI tool I'm going to be showing you guys today. So guys, in this video today, you're going to learn how to use AI to generate the opposite gender of yourself. So if you're a male, you're going to see the female version of yourself, and if you're a female, you're going to see the male version of yourself. So guys, this is going to be mind-blowing. So guys, if you want to learn this, just make sure you follow me to the end of this video. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, the AI tool we're going to be using in this video today is called Remini AI Photo Enhancer. So guys, what you have to do to get the app is to go over to your Play Store or you go over to your App Store and download and install it. So guys, in case you don't know how to do that, you don't need to bother yourself about that, because I've already created videos on those topics that will teach you how you can actually download and install and also use this app for free, just like I'm using it. So guys, just go over to the description of this video. You're going to see links to videos that will teach you all that. So guys, now let me tap on the app now to show you guys how you can use the app to generate gender swap images of yourself. So guys, let me tap on the Remini app right away. So guys, now you can see I'm in the app now. Once you open the app for the first time, you're going to be required to set up your profile. You can see what is written here. So guys, can see what is written here. They're asking you a question: what's your gender? So guys, you have to choose your gender. If you're a female, you go for female. If you're a male, you go for male. I want to do a gender swap for a female person, so let me tap on female. Let me choose the female gender. So guys, now you can see that we have so many AI models right here. You can see the first one, country AI model. You can see this one, mob wife AI model. Let me scroll downwards. You can see this one, old money AI model. You can see this one right here, curriculum AI model. You can see this one here, royal kids AI model. So guys, you can see that we have so many AI models right here. But the AI model that you have to look for is the gender swap AI model. And for you to look for it, you have to keep scrolling downwards. So let me keep going down. So guys, now you can see the gender swap AI model right there. You can see that encircled area, that's the gender swap, and as you can see there, it has 5 model under it. You can see it there. So guys, what you have to do now is to choose the one that you love among that 5 model. You can use each of the AI models one after the other to generate your gender swap AI images. But guys, in case you want to use all of the AI models, the 5 of it, if you want to use it at once, what you have to do is to tap on where it is written get full pack. Can see there the arrow is pointing at it. So guys, instead of me to use the individual AI models one after the other, I prefer to get all of it at once. So let me tap on get full pack. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see what is written here. Let's set up your AI profile. Show us how you look. Knowing how you look will allow AI to create amazing photos of you. So guys, what that means is that they want you to upload your photos so that this AI tool, this artificial intelligence, will know what you look like. So guys, for you to upload your photos, what you have to do is to tap on where it is written upload 8 photos down there. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. You need to upload 8 photos of yourself, and take note of this: the least number of photos that you can upload to this AI app is actually 8, but you can upload more than 8. You can upload 9, you can upload 10, any amount that you want. So guys, now let me tap on upload 8 photos. So guys, now you can see it has directed us to our phone gallery. So what you have to do now is to open your gallery to select the 8 photos of yourself. So guys, let me tap on open gallery at the top there. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now let me look for the lady's picture, which I want to transform, which I want to gender swap to a male. Let me make it very fast. Let me look for the picture very fast. So guys, can see there. Let me select it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So guys, can see I've selected 8 pictures of the person. So let me tap on open. So guys, now you can see the pictures I selected. You can see the 8 of them down there. You can see me scrolling through it, sliding through it. You can see it, they're actually 8 in number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So guys, now what you have to do right away now is to tap on continue. You can see it down there. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see what is written here, uploading photos. We have to wait till the 8 photos is uploaded to the app so that they can use it to generate our AI images. So guys, now you can see what is written here. We are working on your photos. Estimated time is 5 minutes. So guys, you need to take note of this. If you're using this app for the first time, it's going to take longer to generate your AI images. As you can see here, it has written 5 minutes. But if you're doing it for the second time, it's going to take less than 5 minutes. It's going to take about 1 minute or even less to generate your AI images. So guys, what you have to do now is to exercise patience and wait till this app works on your photos so that you're going to get your amazing and beautiful gender swap AI images. So guys, let's just wait. So guys, now you can see our photos are ready. You can see what is written here. Your first photos are ready. We have created a set of photos with your chosen style. So guys, what you have to do now to view the photo is to tap on where it is written take a look. So guys, let me tap on it. Wow guys, can see this is the gender swap of the lady's picture I just uploaded. This is the male version of that lady, and I can say for the fact that this AI image is looking like the brother of the lady I just used in generating this image, because I know the lady and I know the brother. So guys, this is the male version. I'm going to show it to her. I'm going to show this to her. I believe she's going to be marveled. Guys, let me show you guys how to save and delete. So guys, if there's any image that you like and you want to save it to your gallery, what you have to do is to swipe to the right. You can see, let me swipe to the right, or you can either tap on the save icon there on the right hand side. You can see there. So let me tap on the save icon to save this image. Let me tap on the right. So guys, now you can see it. So guys, in case you don't like anyone, what you have to do is to tap on delete. You can see delete on the left hand side. You can see it there. So let me tap on delete. So guys, now you can see I've deleted that one, and you can also delete by swiping to the left. So let me swipe to the left now. So guys, can see that one has been deleted. So guys, this is how you can delete and save. So guys, let me go ahead now to save all of it. So guys, I forgot to mention this. Under this AI model, I was able to generate 15 AI images at once. If you remember, I deleted 2 and saved 2 just to show you guys an example. You can see it's remaining 11, so it's actually 15 photos that this AI app generated for us. So guys, let me go ahead now to save all of it. Let me keep saving. Wow, this is beautiful. Let me save this one as well. Let me save this. Let me save this. Let me continue saving. This is beautiful. 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 Let me keep saving. So guys, now you can see I'm done saving now. All this has been saved to my gallery. So guys, in case you want to generate more, all you have to do is to tap on where it is written generate more. You can see the arrow pointing at it. But in case you want to use other AI image under the gender swap, what you have to do now is to tap on where it is written change content. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. Let me show you guys how it's done. So guys, now you can see it has taken me to the list of AI models again. So what you have to do now is to scroll downwards to look for the gender swap AI model. So let me look for the gender swap AI model right away. So guys can see it's right here. So guys can see it right here. So guys, what you have to do now is either to get the full pack again, or to use the individual AI model, or you can as well use other AI model down there. You can see there are so many AI model that you can use. So guys, now I've showed you guys how you can be able to generate gender swap AI images of yourself and also for others. So guys, I believe you got value for this, and I've come to the end of this video, and I believe you got value. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the bell notification so that whenever I release a new video like this, you're gonna get notified. See you in the next upload. Bye bye. Peace.